Hello guys. So I ordered a few decants of some of the well-known perfumes from Whiff Culture on 4th of June 2026, and today on 8th of June 2026 I have received the package. So let us unbox and see what all we have in this box. Now I must appreciate that the processing of the order or the delivery took so fast, or rather it was so fast because I ordered on 4th and I got it on 8th, and I'm sitting in Guwahati, so of course like far from the main let's say the metro cities and all. So I must really appreciate them for sending me this package so quickly, I would say. So yes, let's see. So overall I ordered around 9 decants and 2 full bottles, and of course I'm going to share with you what all exactly I had ordered. The packaging is decent, so we have foam, and then all these boxes we have the perfumes, right? So let me just start with the first box that is there. So to begin with, the first box, and I'm sure this is the 100 ml bottle that I had ordered. So this is okay, coming out. Here we go. So the first one is Latafas Nazdia Intense, right? The first one is Latafas Nazdia Intense. Then we have some decant, and okay, so this will take some time. All right, then we have a decant of the Supremacy Collector's Edition. The next decant is, so yes, so that was Afnan Supremacy Collector's Edition decant. So these decants are of 8 ml size, and I ordered it from, as I said, from Whiff Culture. The prices were really very, let's say, I would say great as compared to some of the other websites that sell decants. So the next one that we have is Afnan's 9 p.m. decant, again an 8 ml decant. Next we have, let's again explore and see. Yeah, the next one is okay, Supremacy Not Only Intense, again an 8 ml decant. Afnan Supremacy Not Only Intense. Alright, let's go ahead with the next one. Well, the famous Club de Nuit Pure Parfum decant. Let's see what all we have, or what all extra we have. Great. Okay, this one, Arabiat's Marwa, quite famous especially for the summers. And I ordered decant first to check that whether I do like it or not, and I think that's a very good strategy for those who do not want to spend way too much at the very beginning. Please order decants because they come, they are pretty cheap as compared to the 100 ml bottle, and you can get an idea that whether you like that particular perfume or not. All right, the next one is Afnan's 9 p.m. Rebel, right? And the next one that we have is again Club de Nuit Limited Edition. Club de Nuit Limited Edition. Alright, so I think we are almost at the end. So the last 2 decants that I have. Next one is Club de Nuit Intense Men EDP. I wanted to try actually both these Club de Nuit versions, the Pure Parfum as well as the EDP one. So I had ordered this small decant, and the last decant that I had, or that I had ordered, is the very recent Latafas Khamra Wahwa, or Latafas Khamra Waha, yeah, right? So this is again a decant of 8 ml. All right, and the very last thing that I had ordered, a 100 ml full bottle. I actually wanted to try this one for a very long period of time, and because of the discounts and all, I had ordered the full bottle, right? So this is Khadlad's Island Vanilla Dunes, right? And people who are into perfumes will know whose dupe is this one, right? So overall, this is all we had for today. We had 2 full bottles, Lataf's Lataf's Nazdia Intense, and then Khadraj Island Vanilla Dunes, and then we had this 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 decants, right? So I will be trying all of them. We'll give you updates, which one did I like, which one I did not like, and their performance and all we'll talk about in the coming videos. Thank you for watching.